A lot of small creators quit YouTube few weeks before they go viral. If you're a small creator, you've been making videos consistently, but you're not getting views. You're getting low views. And as a result of low views, you're about to quit YouTube. Just before you quit, I need you to run to your YouTube studio right now and check these 5 things I'm about to show you. Because these are 5 signs that YouTube is about to recommend your video. If you see any one of them, congratulations. Because YouTube algorithm is about to recommend your video, to push your video to go viral. Before YouTube promotes a channel and pushes the channel to go viral, it shows 5 signs. In this video, I'm going to show you these 5 signs. Not only that, I will show you what to do for each and every one of them. So if your channel is about to go viral, you get ready. The moment YouTube algorithm pushes the traffic, you're already taking advantage of it. So you'll be able to grow and monetize in few weeks. Few weeks ago, one of my premium clients called me and complained that she was tired of creating videos and not getting views. As a result, she wanted to quit YouTube. After much deliberations, I told her to give me one more chance. Let's go to your channel and see what's going on. At the end of this session, we found 3 of these signs. Right now, this channel has picked up, getting more views and even subscribers on a daily basis than she used to get. So in this video, I'm going to share these 5 signs and tell you what to do. The 5th one is the real deal. If you see the 5th sign on your channel, you are going to go viral in few weeks if only you take actions on what I'm about to share with you in this video. Remember this image, this gold digger who toiled day and night for weeks, months, trying to get the gold, only to turn back few steps to the gold. Some creators are like this, giving up on YouTube just few steps to your channel going viral. And that's why I'm making this video, because I want you to position yourself and get ready to go viral on YouTube. So let's get into it. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Coach Chiamaka, and on this channel, all I do is to help you position your YouTube channel so you'll be able to grow fast and monetize. Sign number 1, impression starts rising before views. Before YouTube promotes a channel or pushes a channel to go viral, it starts giving you more impression. So as a small creator, if you notice that your impressions are going high, it simply means that YouTube algorithm is interested in your channel. That's why it's showing your videos to a lot more people. As a small creator, you are looking at views and subscribers, but YouTube algorithm is looking at impressions. So anytime your impression starts going high, it simply means that YouTube is interested in you. And this is the right time to position yourself to go viral, because the moment the impression gets the kind of result YouTube algorithm is looking for, you are going viral in a matter of days. Now, let me explain this in the way you understand it. YouTube tests channels in phases. First, it starts showing your videos to more audiences. Then it stays back and watch the behavior of these people, their click behavior. And then it goes on to compare your videos, your channel, with those that do almost same thing you do. The moment the result is favorable, it promotes that channel. Now, as a small creator, what are you going to do at this moment? Improve your thumbnail, because the higher the click-through rate, the more people click on that video, the higher the impressions. Now, how do you find out what I'm talking about? All you need to do is to head over to your YouTube studio, then click on analytics, and it's going to bring you to this place. Click on content, and you are going to see impressions. Can you see this? The impressions for this channel is already high. So before you complain that you're not getting views and quit, please look at this section. You're about to go viral. Sign number 2, more suggested video traffic. If you notice that the traffic source on your videos on your channel has moved from channel page search to suggested, congratulations, because your channel is about to go viral. When the traffic source on your videos are coming from suggested, it simply means that YouTube algorithm is suggesting your videos. YouTube is simply putting your videos alongside those big creators. So those who watch those videos with millions of views in your niche get to see your videos. YouTube is about to promote your videos. Now, here is what you are going to do when you see this. Create follow-up videos immediately. Videos that offer same value like the ones that are getting suggested. Let me show you how to find out this information from your dashboard. You just need to head over to your studio, and same place. All you need is to scroll down a little more, and you're going to see this information that says how viewers find you. Then if you look at this, you can see that it's coming from suggested and browse features. If your own is high, congratulations, because YouTube algorithm has remembered you. You are about to go viral. Sign number 3, non-subscribers views increased. This might not immediately translate to more views. You are still getting 400 views, 500 views. But people that are watching these videos are non-subscribers. It simply means that YouTube is testing your video with new audiences. YouTube has moved beyond your small audience and is now testing your videos with strangers. The more those strangers see this video and connect with you, watch your video and comment, the more promotion. Because YouTube is all about engagement and satisfaction. So if new viewers, people who are not subscribed to your channel, are watching the video and engaging, it simply means they are satisfied with what they see. YouTube is going to push your video the more. Now, this is what you're going to do the moment you see this sign. Make your introduction, the beginning part of your videos, more friendly. This way, these new people that are coming in contact with your videos would engage. They will drop comments, because the moment they start dropping more comments like this, YouTube algorithm reads this comment. It simply says that you are a valuable person. You create valuable content. So YouTube is open to promoting this video to more and more new faces. Let me show you how to find this information from your studio. You need to come over here again, almost at the same place. All you need is to click on audience and you scroll down here. Then you are going to see this information here. Sign number 4, average view duration improves slightly. Now, it doesn't have to be massive. Just slight, steady increase is all you need for YouTube algorithm to recommend you. Say, for example, you used to get an average view duration of 2 minutes, 10 seconds, and now it is 2 minutes, 40 seconds. That slight increase is all you need, because YouTube is not after perfection, but satisfaction. If people who watch your video used to spend 2 minutes, 10 seconds before, and now they stay a little longer than they used to stay, it simply shows that they are interested. They are getting more value from your content. And that's all YouTube algorithm is looking for, to promote your videos. When you see this, don't change your style. Don't move to other things. Don't switch your niche. Be consistent. Make sure that you're giving the kind of value you currently give, just a little improvement in the quality. Because if you switch niche or topic or style of delivery, you are going to miss this kairos moment. Sign number 5, your old videos start getting more views. This is the big secret a lot of creators ignore. If you wake up one morning and videos you made 3 months ago, 4 months ago are now suddenly getting more views, they are topping the chart. This is a big sign that YouTube has finally remembered you. This simply means that YouTube now trusts your channel as a whole. So it's going back to your old videos and resurrecting them, showing them to people. When you see this sign, what are you supposed to do? Create an optimized playlist for those videos that are doing well. So whoever watches this old video that's resurrected, be able to watch other related videos. The second thing you need to do is to remember to always add end screens and cards to your videos. So those videos you added as end screens and cards in the new video will get recommended. They will get more views. This works all the time. Trust me. This is what you should never do if you see any of these signs on your channel. First is deleting videos. Don't try to delete videos at this critical moment. Second is switching niche. Don't create videos that are not related to what you currently do. Third is shorts. Don't use random short videos just for using sake. If you're going to use short videos, make sure that they are directly promoting the videos that are already on your channel. Every small channel has opportunity of going viral on YouTube. So just before you quit, make sure you confirm these signs, because promotion on YouTube is not luck, it's a pattern. Let me know in the comment section, which of these signs do you currently see on your channel? If you are still struggling with getting views and subscribers on your channel, you need to watch this video here, because I explain everything in details for you.